The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flood warning for the North Branch Ranclicos Creek at Pemberton from this evening until further notice, or until the warning is canceled. At 12:30 p.m. Sunday, the stage was 2.2 feet. Flood stage is 2.5 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast: rise above flood stage this evening and continue to rise to near 2.8 feet by early tomorrow afternoon. FLD observed forecast. Location St. Daytime crest Ranclicos Creek, Pemberton 2.5, 2.19 sunshine 12 p.m. 2.8 Monday 1 p.m.
Now, Kai, which one was your favorite?